natal from High Tech Trader. This is the furnace. It's in 3 different parts. Let's see if we can get the model numbers here. Oops. 00. Oh, it's 100 R 135H. Serial number 4412. 440, 480 volts, 60 hertz, 3 phase, 48 kilovolts. Chamber controls. Switching panels. Cooling chamber, exhaust chamber, cooling chamber then, quarter. Data recorder. Max rated temperature 1000 degrees C, that's where we're picking that off from. Take a look at some of the other details. This one's brought up on boards where they can skid it. Got the thermocouple ports, exhausts, looking down into the chamber. Looks nice. Okay, conveyor belt on the bottom there. Let's take a look at the second piece behind me.